Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or modify a text box in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. Now click on this text box and select this three dot option. Now select edit option and drawing page now open and again click on this text box. Now you can change this text box fill color. See this. Also you can change border color and border weight. This border line style and make it solid, and you can decrease this text box size. See this. Also you can edit this text box text and selected text. Now click this three dot option. Here you can change this text color, make this white. You can make it bold, italic, underline. Also you can highlight text. You can increase font size. See this. You can change font style here. Also you can make this text box auto fit to shape. See this. Now you cannot increase this text box. Always this text box will fit on your text. And I will dissolve this do not auto fit. Now simply select save and close. And see this. Our text box now edited. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.